AutoCAD and other CAD workflows demand desktop-class CPU performance, ample memory for multitasking, fast storage, and GPU capability for 3D modeling and viewport acceleration. The notebook market now includes purpose-built workstations and high-end mobile workstations, plus capable mainstream laptops that can handle.
List number 1. Lenovo V15 Business Laptop. Lenovo's V15 V-Series targets productivity with a large 15.6-inch FHD panel, a robust 40 GB RAM configuration, and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. The Ryzen 7 7730U provides 8 cores and 16 threads with a 4.5 GHz max turbo, paired with integrated Radeon graphics. The model includes a numeric keypad, multiple ports, including RJ45 and HDMI, and Windows 11 Pro, making it a versatile business machine that can tackle CAD drafts, multitasking, and data analysis. Price is $573.99. Performance-wise, the 40 GB RAM helps with large AutoCAD files, several applications, and browser tabs. The CPU is capable for 2D drafting and moderate 3D work, while the 15.6-inch display is adequate for design work, though not as color accurate as higher-end panels. For CAD workloads, the absence of discrete GPU means reliance on CPU and integrated graphics, which is acceptable for 2D AutoCAD and light 3D tasks, but may bottleneck heavy 3D assemblies or rendering. The build is portable, 3.64 pounds, with a reasonable battery life, up to about 8 hours.
Number 2. Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop. Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is a budget-friendly 15.6-inch laptop configured with a Celeron N4500, 20 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of SSD plus 128 GB eMMC. It runs Windows 11 Home and is positioned as a cost-conscious option for students or light CAD drafting tasks. Price is $389. In CAD-centric use, the Celeron CPU and integrated graphics will limit performance on larger AutoCAD files or 3D modeling tasks. The 20 GB of RAM helps with multitasking, but the CPU is the primary constraint. This machine is best suited for simple 2D CAD work, occasional drafting, and educational use. The 1 TB SSD improves load times and storage for project files, while the 9-hour battery life is respectable for this class. List number 3. Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 3 Mobile Workstation Laptop. The ThinkPad P16s Gen 3 from IST Computers is a high-end mobile workstation featuring an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, 64 GB DDR5 RAM, 2 TB SSD, and a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 500 GPU. It's designed for professionals who require ISV certifications, reliability, and portability in a workstation-class chassis. The display is 16 inches WUX 1920 by 1200 with touchscreen capabilities. It also includes multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports and robust expandability. Price not listed in the provided data. Performance-wise, the combination of a high-end Core Ultra 7 and RTX 500 ADA delivers strong CAD performance, excellent viewport handling, and capable multi-application workflows. With 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of fast SSD storage, it can manage large AutoCAD files, 3D assemblies, and AI-assisted design tasks with ease. The 16-inch 1200p display is well suited for CAD work, and the added security features and MIL STD 810G compliance are appealing for field-intensive projects. The caveat is the lack of price transparency in this listing, and the machine targets power users who need maximum performance and expandability.
List number 4. Dell Inspiron 15 Touchscreen Laptop Computer for Student Study. Dell Inspiron 15 pairs a 15.6-inch touchscreen display with a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1334U, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, and a 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD. It runs Windows 11 Pro S Mode and includes a Type-C hub, bringing a balanced mix of performance and value. Price $679. Performance-wise, the i5-1334U is efficient, but not as powerful as i7 or higher-end CPUs for CAD workloads. The 32GB RAM helps with multitasking and complex drawings, but the integrated Iris Xe GPU limits 3D viewport performance compared with dedicated GPUs. The touchscreen can aid in interactive CAD tasks and annotations, while the included hub expands ports for CAD peripherals. This model is best for 2D CAD, drafting, and multi-app workflows where mobility and a touchscreen are valued.
List number 5. HP new ZBook Studio G11 16-inch workstation laptop. HP ZBook Studio G11 is a true mobile workstation, offering a 16-inch FHD Plus display, Intel Core Ultra 7 165H, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD, and an NVIDIA RTX A3000 GPU. It is designed for CAD, 3D modeling, video editing, and other professional workloads. It includes Windows 11 Pro, enterprise features, and a slim 0.71-inch chassis at about 3.8 pounds. Price: $1,999.99. Performance-wise, the RTX A3000 with 32GB DDR5 delivers strong 3D viewport performance and solid rendering capabilities, supported by a fast 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. The 16-inch display with 1920 by 1200 resolution provides generous workspace and with FHD Plus is well suited for CAD tasks. Security and enterprise features FIPS, TPM, vPro are meaningful for IT-managed environments. The trade-off is the premium price, which places this model out of reach for hobbyists, though its ISV certifications and portability justify the cost for professionals needing reliability and expandability.